Hi everyone, I'm Ian, Product Manager at Advantech. Welcome to the Advantech IoT Academy. In this course, we'll talk about our new WISE-750 product package, the WISE-750 PHM Starter Kit. The Starter Kit is designed to help customers quickly get started to test the PHM capabilities. We'll go over how this package will help customers get the most out of the product for fulfilling user experience. Before we jump ahead, let me recap the main features of WISE-750. It provides vibration sensor connectivity, data acquisition, data processing, and Ethernet connectivity. It targets the PHM market to provide a lightweight solution. In order to provide a better experience, we designed the Starter Kit package. The WISE-750 PHM Starter Kit is an integrated solution designed for predictive maintenance of stable rotating machinery such as pumps, compressors, motors, and more. The kit is an all-in-one solution that contains a vibration sensor, high-speed data acquisition, machine learning-based machine condition prediction, and performance visualization. The kit is specifically designed to help businesses and organizations adopt the monitoring system to monitor the health of their equipment, to take proactive steps to prevent potential failures and downtime. The kit can be broken down into 3 parts. First, there is the WISE-750 unit itself. In this starter kit, we provide one-channel sensor connectivity for evaluation purposes. This vibration sensor included in the kit is a cost-effective MEMS sensor that can detect subtle changes in vibration that may indicate problems with the equipment. The second part is the software. The iMachine PHM software reads the data acquired by WISE-750 to determine the machine's operating status. The high-speed data acquisition capabilities of the kit allow for rapid and accurate data collection, while the machine learning algorithms built into the system use this data to predict potential issues or failures of the equipment. The model evaluates the status in 3 stages. First, the runtime status is based on the ISO 10816. This is simply a calculation using the parameters defined by the ISO standard. Second one is degradation level. It's calculated by the model to tell how much deviation there is compared to its original condition. The third stage is predictive calculation. The model will generate a prediction on day 8 after the model has been running for 7 days. It is a healthiness index prediction of the machine's health status over the next 7 days. The third part of the starter kit is all about user experience. The package provides an USB fan to generate a vibration, so customers can quickly test the capabilities of the system. This enables users to evaluate the effectiveness of the solution without having to operate the actual industrial equipment. This allows users to get a feel for how the system works and to see the potential benefits of the predictive maintenance in action. The fans can generate different magnitude of vibration so that the customers can test the system at any location. Let's get a quick overview of the data transfer between WISE-750 and iMachine PHM software. The WISE-750 transmits data via Ethernet, and it is saved in CSV format on the PC. The iMachine PHM software collects the data from the directory where it is saved and trains the PHM model. After the training of the model is done, iMachine PHM starts actively monitoring the machine's health status. Here we add the equipment information, select the equipment type and corresponding model, then we press save. Then the WISE-750 project will show up in the main page. Then we add the sensor, give it a name and sensor type, and the data directory. The data directory is where this WISE-750 saves the data to. So let's copy the directory and paste it to the path, then save. Then the setup is done. The system will need a few moments until data updates, and then we can go to view page to see the data. After a few moments, the light turns green, and we can go to the data again. Now we can drag the window to see the actual data, and the system will start monitoring the status. In addition to the core components of the kit, the starter kit also includes a demonstrative web access SCADA project to show users how the result can be visualized. This helps users to get started quickly and easily, and serves as a guide for future monitoring and maintenance projects. Overall, the WISE-750 PHM starter kit is an effective means of demonstrating predictive maintenance. It can give businesses and organizations a hands-on introduction to the monitoring system by training the system with the current health of their equipment to take proactive steps to prevent potential failures or downtime. With its sensor, machine learning algorithms, and performance visualization tools, the kit provides a comprehensive solution for equipment monitoring and maintenance. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you and bye.